Hello, welcome back to Sushi LiveNoding. Today I will be sharing with you a really simple setup. Basically, a way you can procedurally create a pencil. So it was actually based on this Apple pencil emoji. I didn't add the details at the top, but that's for another lesson. For today, we're gonna just have the yellow and the top part of the pencil. I mean the bottom part. Okay, so yeah, how is this created? It's actually really simple. I'm using sphere chalk add-on and a couple of boolean, and you already notice that I'm only using the same nodes, cylinder MK2, for basically three different parts that generate the pencil. So this is like a kind of like a modeling a pencil is a simple lessons in boolean, and with procedural setup it's really even simpler. So there are three parts. I colorize each part with a like a red, yellow, and green, so you know the setup. The green part is actually optional, but you can end up with a couple of different variation of the pencil. But this part is the one that's we're gonna create. Um, this part actually probably kind of like you look at it and it's kind of okay, that's kind of easy but not too easy. If you want to model it yourself, you can do it without boolean, but boolean I think is just the right thing to do in this case. So I will delete everything. Now we're gonna end up with whatever sphere chalk created, alpha, beta, gamma. So this part must be the alpha. This is how I started this cylinder. And then we want to boolean it using the orange part. The orange, it's hidden here, so we just use boolean, and then I believe it's intersect using the beta. So now we already have the pencil, or more like a crayon. If I duplicate this, Shift D, and then apply, we have a crayon. It's a crayon, and you just give it a color, and that's fine. But if you wanna have like a pencil, you want to have another boolean cut, which is the green part. And the nice thing about this is, of course, everything is procedural. So remember, you can always change how it looks. So how many division you want, 6 or 8, and then this part, you know, what's the length of the pencil or the crayon. Before later, you're gonna do another boolean for the pencil part. For the inside part, you can have like a very thin lead, pencil lead, or kind of halfway, something like that. It's kind of nice. And let's see. So we're gonna have this, right? For this example, I'm just gonna apply it and then duplicate it. So we have two parts, and then apply another boolean with the gamma. One is intersects, and the other one boolean and it's gamma again, but this one is different. So just simply by doing that, applying it again, you're gonna end up with the pencil. See, it's really simple, and that's pretty much it. And I can undo that. Oops. No, okay, undo gave me that. Alright, I made a mistake with that step, but anyhow, basically we start again. Boolean intersect with beta, so we have the crayon, and then apply. I will duplicate it just in case it's gonna reset itself. So we have alpha, the original one, which is sphere chalk is updating all the time, and then we have alpha 1 and 2, simply boolean again, intersect with gamma, and this guy Boolean difference with gamma. Apply, apply. Move it to the side. So we have this part. This one, color it black. This part, give it a color of yellowish. There's actually a YouTube channel talking about why it's yellow color. Get the face, select inverse, create a new material, new, assign it to this part. Okay, yep, so that's the pencil pretty much, and the rest of the details I might cover it at some other point, but believe me, you can also use cylinder for those two parts. Cylinder and K2. I really like this this node, really powerful. Yeah, so there you go. Hopefully you find this useful. So now you have really a pretty good pencil setup or pencil model, and you can make different kind of variations. Of course, currently it's relying on the Boolean, Blender's Boolean. You can use Sverchok on Boolean. It's not perfect, but it's gonna work in this case. Yeah, so everything can be nodes. If everything inside the nodes without having to rely on Blender modifier Boolean, then you can have like so many different variations of the pencils by simply having a single group nodes. All right, I'll share with you the setup. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think. I'll see you next time. Bye.